like a Hellcat.
Hey guys, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to get unlimited gold and keys in Subway Surf hack. Okay, I think this is only working for Samsung, so go on Google and you see the top thing, copy that Subway Surfers Unlimited Golds and Keys APK download. Then you go for the top one here, Mod Unlimited, and then you should see this. You scroll all the way down and press download Subway Surfers. It should take about 5 seconds. And download that. I do, and install. And also just saying guys, if you do have Subway Surf, delete the app and then it will install it for you again. So I'll be back once this finished. Okay, now it's finished installing. Open Subway Surfers. Doesn't matter what age, you can do whatever. I'm just gonna go for 17 or something. No thing. Just play for a little bit for like 10-20 seconds so they just show you the style and everything. Fresh moves, I know. And then once this is all done, just die. Ugh, have to complete this thing. Can't die, wait. Okay, now I hope I can die, because I really want to die. I know, I do rock. Okay. Now once you've died, go on home. Me. Look, you see at the top, look how much money I've got. You see that? So now I could literally get anything. Spike, that. 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 So I'll be back once I get all of the boards and skins. Okay, I'm back. And as you can see here, I have got everything, like, except from the things that cost money. So as you can see here, all select. This is no joke, and I'm serious. It's like really cool. Boards as well. Let's go for this one, and yeah. See here, activate and activate. Everything's all good. And yeah, so this is the hack, and well, I hope you enjoyed.